Hi everyone! If you've ever removed window visors, rain guards or any other accessories from your car, you've probably run into the same problem: stubborn double-sided tape left behind on the paint. In my case, one of the window visors broke, so I decided to remove the rest of them as well. As you can see, the visors are attached to the window frame with automotive double-sided tape. Removing the visor itself is easy, but getting rid of the sticky adhesive without damaging the paint is the hard part. In this video, I'll show you a simple method that works really well and doesn't require any expensive tools or special products. To remove the visor, I'm using a nylon fishing line. It slides between the visor and the door frame, cutting through the double-sided tape without scratching the paint. With a little patience, the visor comes off pretty easily. But here's the real problem. As you can see, the entire strip of double-sided tape is still stuck to the door frame. This is the part that usually takes the most time. Just to show you what doesn't work, I sprayed a little water on the adhesive and tried rubbing it off by hand. As expected, it doesn't make any difference. The adhesive is still firmly attached, and water alone won't remove it. As you can see, the adhesive is still stuck all the way around the window frame. At first, it looks like it's going to take forever to remove. But instead of using expensive adhesive removers or special rubber wheels, I'm going to use something almost everyone already has. Take a look at your wheel. Every tire has a rubber valve stem for inflating the tire. Believe it or not, that's exactly what I'm going to use. I simply chuck the valve stem into a cordless drill with the rubber end facing out. Then, using light pressure and slow circular motions, the rubber starts rubbing away the double-sided tape without damaging the painted surface. The adhesive comes off surprisingly easily, and after just a few minutes, the window frame is clean again. And here is the final result. All the adhesive is completely gone, and the window frame is nice and clean again. To finish the job, I simply wipe the surface with a damp microfiber towel to remove any remaining dust or rubber residue. As you can see, there are no traces of the double-sided tape left, and the paint is still in great shape. Not bad for a tool that most people would never think to use. So, if you're removing window visors, trim pieces, badges or anything else attached with double-sided tape, give this trick a try before spending money on specialty tools or adhesive removers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.